Well, in terms of our faculty assist students in terms of finding organizations to do internships with. We typically have students doing internships with Arkansas Game and Fish Commission, Forest Service, Fish and Wildlife Service, Army Corps of Engineers. Are those 4 or 5 are probably our biggest. Department of Environmental Quality in Arkansas. We do at Arkansas Tech offer the student the ability to get, I think, up to 4 credits for that. And then there are some requirements that the students would do along with just the job in terms of they would keep a journal and they have to present the next semester. But those opportunities are out there. All those agencies rightfully seek students into those positions because they're a good recruiting tool. They can find out. Many of our students end up getting their permanent job through internships, those experiences. So it kind of depends at the university you're at and how the program's set up.
I'll follow up a little bit. If you Google REI, an acronym, REI internships, those are internships available through grants funded across the United States. Lots of interesting opportunities. You go to our website at www.uaex.edu/AQFI or just Google UAPB Aquaculture Fisheries. We have internships posted there that we gather from across the United States. It's getting a little late to apply for an internship this year, but there are still some available. If you Google USGS internships and put some specific things in there, you can find lots of internships.
Mark, do you want to talk about game and fish?
Just a little. If you drive around and see our conservation license plates, I think this year it may be a black lab and a bear and the deer and the hummingbirds and the butterflies and all. That money is used for education. I mean, what the share of it that we get from the Department of Revenue is used for education. Now that Arkansas has the lottery and is doing scholarships, we had a scholarship program. We're going to be de-emphasizing the scholarship program and increasing our internship. And the internships now are just summertime. And, we think it's great. We do get to see these students. We get a lot of good work from them, and, they help us a whole lot. Plus, we get to learn about those individual students. We will be, once the economy, gets rolling a little bit better, we're going to be using more interns longer during the year, so that there might be actually even some that are a whole year long, or at least parts of a year they can work while they're in school and not just summertime. I'm not sure how it'll work with credits and all that, but once we start doing it, we'll be working with the universities and trying to figure out how to make sure they get credit.
Another good way to plug into internships, if I could jump in, is to look at some of the professional associations like the American Fisheries Society, the U.S. Aquaculture Society. If you join as a member, they'll post internships and send those out as emails and things like that. And so you have to plug into those kind of networks.